Founded in 1989, MNC Group has grown to become the leading investment group in Indonesia. Under the leadership of its founder and executive chairman Haritanu Sudibyo, MNC Group has three strategic investments: media, financial services, and entertainment, lifestyle, property, and hospitality. Media Nusantara Citra, or MNC, owns and operates four national free-to-air TV stations: RCTI, MNC TV, GTV, and iNews, with its fastest-growing OTT streaming service called RCTI Plus. Today, the 4FTA has the largest nationwide audience share of more than 40% and ad spend share of 45%. MNC owns more than 300,000 hours of content library and produces more than 23,000 annually. It also has the largest talent management with close to 400 artists. MNC has invested significant resources in broadcast and production facilities to produce high-quality programs such as drama series, talent search, and music concerts, as well as awarding programs. It also produces high-quality animation exported globally. In the last 3 years, MNC expanded its digital initiatives by developing mobile apps for its FTA, free general and news platforms, and started to upload its content on YouTube, which generates one of the largest views and subscribers globally, with more than 2 billion views every month. MNC also operates as multi-channel network, or MCN, through Star Hits. To complement the company's strong position in FTA, RCTI Plus is targeted to become the largest streaming service in 2020. It provides live streaming of the 4 FTAs, MNC Content Library, Catch-Up TV feature, original content like bloopers and behind the scenes, news, audio streaming, and other interactive features like quiz, voting, live chat with MNC talents, and audition. UGC features for talent search competition dedicated for RCTI Plus and games aggregator is currently under development. In the next 4 years, digital and content revenues are targeted to represent 50% of the company's revenue. Another media business owned by the group is MNC Vision Networks, or MVN. MVN went public in July 2019. It has the largest pay TV, broadband, and content production operations. MVN has the largest DTH-based postpaid pay TV service in Indonesia through MNC Vision, that dominates more than 90% market share for postpaid services with 2.1 million subscribers, and a DTH-based prepaid pay TV service called K-Vision, acquired in July 2019 to serve the middle-income household. K-Vision has the fastest-growing subscriber acquisition of more than 200,000 every month, making it the largest prepaid DTH company. In 2014, MVN started its fixed broadband business by rolling out fiber to the home and IPTV services under the name MNC Play. It is the third largest broadband company operating in 9 cities with 1.5 million home passes. MNC Play also leased the capacity from various network providers, including Icon Plus, a subsidiary of state-owned electricity company PLN. Starting in February 2020, MVN launched its new product called Playbox, an Android TV OTT box which connects to any internet broadband network. The last platform under MVN is Vision Plus, which is an OTT-based video streaming platform that offers video on demand in all formats from various genres and more than 130 linear channels. It gives a free access to MVN subscribers for certain content and operates independently as AVOD and SVOD streaming services. Today, Vision Plus has more than 27 million monthly active users. MVN is also the largest in content production. It produces more than 10 linear channels and VODs, with various formats, which differentiate MVN from any other operators. In financial services, MNC Capital Indonesia, known as MNC Capital, was established as the holding company of all the financial activities within the group. MNC Bank focuses on full-service banking for SME, consumer, and wholesale banking, and has credit and debit card operations. The bank is currently focused to become a major player in digital banking, capitalizing on the group's strength in technology. MNC Finance is engaged in consumer financing, such as new car and multi-purpose financing and mortgages. It has developed an app to deliver faster and better credit processing. MNC Sekuritas provides brokerage, margin financing, research, underwriting, and financial advisory services. MNC Sekuritas operates one of the largest online trading services. MNC Leasing serves corporate customers primarily to finance productive assets in the form of leasing, sale and leaseback, factoring, and other financing. MNC Insurance provides general insurance services with a 24/7 online customer service and digital application for new car insurance product. MNC Life offers various assurance products, including health, accident, and unit link. MNC Life has recently launched its digital-based apps named Hario. MNC Asset Management manages a variety of investment products for individual and institutional investors. MNC Teknologi Nusantara has just launched SPIN, Smart Payment Indonesia. It provides